Hey guys, welcome back to Garage DNA. Now today I've got some exciting news. We're launching a brand new car to the channel that I'll be filming a mini series on and just restoring it back to its former glory. So without further ado, let me introduce you. The new car we have for our lineup is a BMW 2007 E60. Now this has the N62 engine, the 4-litre V8, and it's got a few mods: pod filter, exhaust. It's got the M Sport pack, and I'll go through some of the other items that we're going to touch up and help restore this car. Now it is a bit of a barn find. Got it off a mate, and a bit of work to do to it. Bit of paint work. I've got a new front bar, new rear bar. We're going to clean the wheels up back to alloy, clean the interior, cut and polish, do a tune on it, and yeah, I'm going to restore this car back to its original condition. I think it's got an exhaust, it's got a pod filter, a few bits and pieces on it. It's got a custom sound system. We need to fix these wheels, fix the paint. She's been left out in the weather. Got to fix these headlights up. And there's a little bit of panel damage here, so it's probably where the money I'll spend on getting the dints popped and some paint. So we have the N62, the 4-litre V8. Now I believe it's around 306 horsepower. This one here has already got the pod filter on it. I am going to buy a plug and play tuning kit for it, and I'll do a separate video on that install. I need to clean up the engine bay. I need to detail the entire car, cut and polish. I need to fix those wheels back up to alloy, get that black paint off, restore these headlights. Now I did get with the purchase a new front bar and rear bar and some badges. So I'll do a video on that, and we'll be cut and polishing the paint, fixing that up. There is a few dents in the car. I do need to do some paint work there. There's small damage on the other side. Everything else is okay. It's got a custom sound system. We've got the beige interior. It is the M Sport pack, which is pretty cool. The interior is in okay condition. Now this car was wrapped, I believe, with a purple wrap, so I'll have to peel that off the handles there. There's some black wrap on the roof there I'll have to pull off. We'll detail this engine bay, clean that up. It is mechanically okay. There might be a small oil leak just down in there I'll have to address. I'll have to restore these headlights, do the new front bar, rear bar. I do need to bleed the brakes. So this is the first project car for the series. So we're going to restore this whole car back to its original OEM condition. And hopefully it should look good. It shouldn't need too much work. All of it I can do myself. Need a trim piece here. We need a rubber windshield kit here. So we're going to give this a good gurney and clean now. We'll give it its first wash, pressure wash and a clean. And I'll do some footage after we clean it up, but probably hasn't had a wash in 3 years. So I'm excited to see what it's going to look like after a proper wash. And I might get these wheels cleaned up today also, and that'll look a lot better. So I just wanted to wash the 540i for the very first time on camera with you guys. And we'll fix this paint up and give it a clean and see how she looks. So just a little backstory on this car. This was parked up at a mate's property for about 3 years. So this is its first wash in about 3 years. So it's pretty much parked up and abandoned for a long period. So there's a lot of grime on the paint. So also this car was wrapped before, so there's a lot of wrap residue left on the paintwork, which I'll have to cut and polish and remove that with a clay bar and get it back to good condition. Also I have done and repaired and cleaned the wheels up off camera, and done the calipers too, so, and removed some of the wrap. Should look at least half decent after this first wash, but I'm excited to reveal it once I clean it and dry it up. Okay guys, ready for the grand reveal? First wash in 3 years. Let's check it out. Okay, so we still have a bit of residue from the old wrap on the bonnet there, but this paint is sparkling a little bit better. And I still have to do those headlights, but I have fixed up the wheels. Wheels and calipers are done. Now the paintwork's not too bad. It's looking pretty good. It's got spacers on front and back. Just painted the calipers nice real red. Cleaned the wheels up to alloy. Look at that. 540i. 4-litre V8. E60. I'm going to put together a montage of clips after this, but first wash. Looking pretty good. Got the blacked out indicators on there. Put them on the other day. Sequential. Remove most of the wrap off camera, except still got the roof to go, so I won't film too much of that, but there we go. Also, I just thought I'd film, I have been using this adhesive cleaner and solvent remover just to get rid of some of the wrap and residue. Still a bit to go, clean it up, but it's getting there. So I just thought I'd mention, I did purchase the car off a mate for a very good price and thought it would just be perfect car for the channel and a mini-series project car to film. So pretty excited to get this E60 up and running, clear all the faults. There were a few electrical faults, a few lights on the dash, but I've cleared most of the faults and we'll work through that and restore the car. So excited for the mini-series. So please like and subscribe. Thanks.